Good morning. I am putting on a lower ball joints on both sides of my UTV. It's a Polaris Ranger midsize 2013 model. You can tell I do have my jack stands for safety, plus another jack over there and the one in the front, which gives me the ability to be able to work on it. First of all, you take off the tire and wheel, which I have done on the other side. And this job is going to be consistent of doing it while it's still on the UTV. As you can see, I've already got the lower ball joint out on this side. And I'm about ready to put it back in, the new one. I do have a new propane torch that I picked up at Walmart. Some of the guys said will heat the strut up on the bottom, get it warm, and then put the new ball joint in the freezer, which I've got it in there now. And they said probably approximately about 1 hour is all you need, roughly, to get it done. Here is the box, the ball joints I bought in a pair. There's the number. And I bought it from Trek, which is a pretty decent company, although the part is made in China. Okay, be back soon. Hello, this is the continuation of putting in new ball joints in my UTV Polaris Ranger midsize year 2013. This washers and stuff on the right is what I used to pull the old ball joint out with. I had this clamp that I found and a bigger washer that went with the other smaller ones as you go down. This is the castle nut that was on the old ball joint. I don't know if you can see, but I stripped it out on the inside. It wouldn't hold the threads, so I had a heck of a time trying to get it out. The threads still looked okay on this for the most part, except down at the end. So I went to the shop and I got a coarse thread nut, the same size, and threaded it on there with all my washers and stuff. And this is kind of the way it went. Was like that. Then this come up, which cleared the hole here for it. And then these other two. And of course all the other washers. Till it come out to the end. So this is just a little quick catch up here. This is the new ball joint. It's flat on the end. I got it from Caltech, and the old one has a hole in it, or I guess when they had the grease, but my particular model didn't have the Zert to grease it. And it, like I say, this is pretty well wore out. So there you go for now. I'll be back in a few. Well, this is how loose it is. That's pretty dang loose. I had a lot of trouble trying to get this thing off, but I got it out. It's got a hole in the top. Definitely wore out.